Thousands of beluga whales have traveled here to give birth. Ross has to figure out how to catch one. But the tide is strong, and his prey swims out of reach. Time to rethink his tactics. Vantage point, if he wants to surprise them from above. But this prime spot from which to hunt is prized. And an older, more experienced male, Ursa, wants the rock for himself. Testing this is no play fight. Out of his depth, he is defeated. And Arctos has no choice but to head back to shore. Is everything. Silent and patient, Ursa waits, prepares to pounce. He must be deadly accurate. One swift move lands a stunning blow to the whale's skull. Exhausted, he can finally feed.